Let's look at this case scenario. A 55-year-old man with essential hypertension is being treated with losartan, an angiotensin receptor blocker. Despite good compliance, his blood pressure remains above target. The clinician plans to add a second antihypertensive drug. Considering the adverse effect profile of losartan, particularly its tendency to cause hyperkalemia, which of the following drugs would be the safest add-on option without increasing the risk of hyperkalemia? The options are A. Atenolol, B. Amiloride, C. Hydrochlorothiazide, D. Aliskiren. Guess the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Hydrochlorothiazide. Now, losartan is an angiotensin II receptor blocker. It lowers blood pressure by inhibiting angiotensin II mediated vasoconstriction, decreasing the peripheral vascular resistance and lowering blood pressure. It also reduces aldosterone secretion. Aldosterone is known to cause sodium and water reabsorption and potassium excretion. So, reduced aldosterone secretion causes potassium retention, predisposing to hyperkalemia. Thiazide diuretics, on the other hand, they counteract angiotensin receptor blocker induced hyperkalemia and are commonly used as a safe add-on therapy with angiotensin receptor blockers or ARBs. They also potentiate the antihypertensive effect of losartan and angiotensin receptor blocker, providing better blood pressure control while reducing the risk of hyperkalemia. So, thiazide diuretics are best option, safe add-on therapy with an angiotensin receptor blocker. Why the other options are incorrect? Atenolol is a beta-1 selective blocker, does not directly correct or protect against hyperkalemia. So it is not the best metabolic combination with this specific concern. Amiloride is a potassium-sparing diuretic, so it increases the risk of hyperkalemia, especially with ARBs. Aliskiren is a direct renin inhibitor, dual blockade of renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. When combined with losartan, significantly increases the risk of hyperkalemia and hypertension. So, when hyperkalemia is a concern with angiotensin receptor blockers, thiazide diuretics are the ideal add-on therapy because they lower potassium and enhance antihypertensive efficacy.